everyone, and Happy New Year from Trusted Credit Repair. My name is Dennis, and we're back this year with a brand new series of videos. Of course, we talk about credit, we talk about everything related to credit, some helpful hints and information that's going to help you improve your credit scores and your credit reports in 2021. Now, we all wear these masks, and we all protect our faces today because we have the pandemic going on. But do you protect your credit as well as you protect your face? Let's go ahead and talk about that and what are some of the ways that you can protect your credit in 2021. One thing in particular that I want to discuss today is the platform that here at Trusted Credit Repair we use to check your credit scores and to get the latest information in all three credit bureaus. That means Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. A lot of you may say, well, why do I need that if I have Credit Karma or my bank offers it through my credit card and I have all these free services that I'm able to check my credit report? Well, let me tell you the difference between those services and the service that I'm talking about today, which is called IdentityIQ. There will be a link at the end of this video below that you just click that link and you can sign up. With our offer code, you get a discount and you get more benefits than versus you going and signing up directly through IdentityIQ.com. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always email us and call us at 954-228-7000, or you can just walk in. We're open. We're right here in Margate, Florida at 4996 Atlantic Boulevard on Banks and Atlantic. But anyway, going back to the difference between the paid services and unpaid services. First of all, we all know when you try to buy something, you go get a credit card, you try to buy a vehicle, you're going to get an inquiry on your credit report. That inquiry can cost you up to 4 to 5 points at a time, especially if you're trying to apply for different cards. If a creditor looks at your report and they see many different inquiries, they're unlikely to extend your credit because you know you're desperate, you're trying to obtain multiple credit cards. So, IdentityIQ does not put inquiries on your credit. That's one of the benefits. You have access to all three bureaus in real time. You get Vantage scores from Equifax, TransUnion, Experian, and it's all done without putting any inquiries on your credit report. People may say, why do you need to pay for that? For instance, Credit Karma is only going to give you 2 bureaus, and Credit Karma's information sometimes is outdated. Why? Because they get their information from free sources, and we all know there's no such thing as free cheese in the mousetrap. So there's got to be some kind of a but, and that but is Credit Karma pulls your information from third-party providers that are unrelated or in some cases inaccurate, and you don't get the best possible picture when it comes to a complete credit report overview from all three bureaus. Some of us recently actually lost Equifax, and now Credit Karma only transmits TransUnion. And a lot of times what's going to happen is, one bureau may report one information and the other two may report different information, so you don't have syncing information. You go to apply for something, you get denied, you ask yourself why. That's because TransUnion had one information versus the other two had different information. So that's one of the differences. Also, with IdentityIQ, you have ID theft. Okay, what does that mean? The protection, identity theft protection. If your identity gets stolen, and in the last 5 years we've seen all kinds of breaches and all kinds of data breaches and all kinds of different things that have happened to the bureaus, IdentityIQ offers you a $25,000 identity theft protection. It also gives you daily monitoring. It will give you assistance with a lost wallet. In case you lose your wallet somewhere, they'll assist you on how to properly and what steps to take in order to make sure that none of your stuff gets jeopardized. And also, they opt you out and they sign you up for do not call me, do not bother me list, which is probably one of the best features because you can imagine some of you get tons and tons of mail and phone calls and emails with offers and all kinds of different things. So, and overall, it's a really good program. It's very easy to use. It's called IdentityIQ.com. Like I said, we will have a link below this video for you to click on and check it out. There's no commitment. It's a monthly charge of $29.99. It's basically $10 per bureau per report. It goes a very long way because let's say, somebody checks your credit unauthorized, you will immediately get a text message and an email from them saying, hey, did you make this inquiry? It also gives you daily updates and accounts, and it will refresh every single month, giving you brand new reports, giving you an opportunity to check fresh reports on a monthly basis without affecting your credit scores. Once again, thanks for watching Trusted Credit Repair YouTube channel. We're always here to answer your questions. Feel free to send us an email or give us a call at 954-228-7000. Have a wonderful new year, and we're looking forward to bringing you more videos, more content, and more useful information in 2021. Thank you and have a great day.